was possible to both love and hate a product equally. Hey everyone, welcome back to the makeup chair. Today I'm going to be reviewing this, the Maybelline Total Temptation. When I first tried this out, I absolutely fell in love with it. I became instantly obsessed with it and I thought that it was awesome. I was telling everybody about it. I was like, you need this mascara, it is so cool. And then I was like, this mascara is the most annoying mascara in the world. So it has its pros and cons, and I'm going to talk you guys through what they are, because that's how a review works. First things first, Maybelline and mascaras, they know what they're doing. I believe Maybelline actually started off as a mascara brand. The guy's sister was called May, and she used to use Vaseline and charcoal to create mascara, and so he created Maybelline. I might be totally wrong on this, but I'm pretty sure that that's the story. So when anybody asks me what's a good brand for mascara, I always say Maybelline, because they know what they're doing. And I love all of their mascaras, but this one I also hate at the same time. So this mascara is the new one out at the moment. It's supposed to give you very soft lashes, lots of volume, lots of length, and it's a slight coconut smell because it's enriched with coconut oil. Now the packaging itself is like this nude color. I'm not a big fan of this packaging. I feel like it's not the same quality as the usual mascaras. I don't know if this was just a press release packaging. Sometimes we get different packaging, but I do like the packaging and the fact that it has this flat surface because it gives you a lot of control for actually applying the mascara. So that's a big plus. Secondly, the actual brush itself is really, really nice to use. It's got this very choppy effect, so it's not all uniformal shaping. It actually creates different shapes with it because it's so zigzaggy, which is great if you want to build up lots of volume, but it also then builds length because it's technically a lengthening formula, but it has the choppiness which then creates a lot of volume. Our eyelashes aren't very uniformal anyway. They come in different angles and stuff. So this creates a really nice natural feathery effect in the lashes. And I love the effect especially it gives the bottom lashes because it literally makes my bottom lashes look like dolls. Now when I was applying this, I showed you guys what it looks like. And then I have a very thin strip of false eyelashes on with it. Because I wear false eyelashes every day and I couldn't judge a mascara without putting false eyelashes on, because that's how I tend to find out if mascaras are any good or not, is how well they work with my fake lashes. And this one is a great one for fake lashes because I can actually apply it over the top of them and it works really well together, so it adds lots of more volume. I love it. The lashes that I'm wearing right now are super fine, super thin, barely there natural lashes, but when they're paired with this mascara, they suddenly look like amazing. And these are only like $1 lashes. Look how massive they look. I love the way the bottom lashes have turned out. The bottom lashes look so amazing, really doll-eyed effect. And then with the soft upper lashes on top, and it actually is true to the ad. It does add volume, it does add length, and it gives you this really soft, feathery feel. However, it is so annoying to use. I have to use a shield. I have been applying makeup since I was 14 years old. That's a really, really long time. And I've never had a problem so much with a mascara that I've had to use a shadow shield. But I think it's because this is enriched with oils. It's a very creamy formula. So before it dries, it's gonna get everywhere. I accidentally sneezed when I had this on and just all of my eye was covered in mascara. Like, it's a very, very wet, creamy formula, which I don't think is necessarily a bad thing, especially because it means that it's not going to dry out your lashes, but it does mean it gets everywhere. I'd also say to you is make sure to really curl your lashes beforehand if you have very dropped lashes. It's such a creamy formula, it drops those lashes down, which was a really annoying thing for me because I don't have very curly eyelashes, so I kind of need a good curl, but this is such a creamy, heavy formula that it does make them drop a little bit. But that said, I still really like the formula. I just feel like you have to really curl your lashes in order to get away with it. So you see what I mean? I love and I hate this mascara. If you're gonna give it a go, make sure to use a piece of card, make sure to use some sort of a shield, and don't sneeze. It's a really important thing. I feel like I need to do an update in maybe a couple of weeks and I need to keep trying it and testing it out. So far, I love it, but I absolutely hate it. It's a very weird combination. Let me know if you've given this a go because I would love to hear from you guys as well, and how long you've been using it for. Because the first few days I was like, this is the best mascara I've ever used in my whole life. And now I'm like, this is so irritating. So I'd love to know how long you've been using it for. Let me know in the comments if you've given it a try or if you're thinking of giving it a try as well. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. I'll keep you updated on this torn love affair that I have with this mascara.